Fun facts. Facts can be extremely fascinating, and sometimes it can also affect or trigger our mind. Hey guys, I'm AD and welcome back to my channel. I make videos about crazy and interesting facts every single week, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Today's video is all about some mind-blowing facts which are unusual. Do you know that diamond rain? Yes, an atmospheric data for gas giants indicates that carbon is abundant in its dazzling crystal form. Lightning storms turns methane into carbon, which as it falls hardens into chunks of graphite and forms diamond. But the sad truth is that this diamond rains only on the planets Saturn and Jupiter. So it's hard for us to actually extract it from there. Mid-Ocean Ridge System. The longest mountain range on Earth is called the Mid-Ocean Ridge. It stretches over 80,000 kilometers all around the world. This system of mountains and valleys crisscrosses the globe. It is formed by the movement of Earth's tectonic plates. This process is literally renews our planet. The Twitter bird has a name. Do you know that Twitter's platform manager Ryan Server told that the world-famous bluebird was in fact called Larry? The origin of the name is a mystery, though there has been speculations that the bird is named after Larry Bird, who played for the basketball team that Twitter co-founder Biz Stone supports, the Boston Celtics. A look back in time. If I say that when you look into the night sky, you are looking back in time. Scientists claim that an alien 65 million light years away sees Earth through a powerful telescope. They can see dinosaurs. How can that be possible? This question raises the fascinating issue of look-back times. Because of the finite speed of light, when you gaze up into the night sky, you are looking into the past. The bright star Sirius is 8.6 light years away. That means the light hitting your eye tonight has been traveling for 8.6 years. Let's put it another way. When you look at Sirius tonight, you see it as it was 8.6 years ago. As you look at more distant objects, the effect becomes bigger and bigger. Here's a fun way to think about it. Go to this list of the brightest stars. Click on distance, column to rank them by how far away they are, and find the number closest to your age. That is your birth star, the one whose visible light years is the same age as you are. Tricolored lakes. At the summit of Mount Kelimutu, there are 3 crater lakes in different colors, and those colors change all the time. Mount Kelimutu is a volcano in flows, one of the many volcanoes of Indonesia. One of the most famous attractions here for travelers is the tri-colored Kelimutu Lake within the summit of the craters at 1690 meters. It consists of 3 lakes together of varying in colors from each other and also at different times, making them surreal and at the same time exciting to be discovered. These lakes change color dramatically and unpredictably, making it one of the natural phenomena to behold by many. Male seahorse. The male seahorse goes through pregnancy and gives birth to babies. Seahorses, which range from less than an inch to a foot in length, have evolved a series of unusual adaptations. The male has a pouch on its stomach in which to carry babies, as many as 2,000 at a time. The pregnancy lasts for 10 to 25 days, depending on the species. Zombie ants. The fungus, a species of Ophiocordyceps, hijacks the ants' nervous systems, causing the insects to perform abnormal and oddly specific behaviors that help the fungus reproduce. The fungus targets carpenter ants living high in Thailand's rainforest canopy. In a study, researchers found that it takes about 3 to 9 days from initial infection for the ant to become completely zombified. It was also found that the fungus tends to kill the ant host at high noon, although the exact reason for this timing remains some mystery. Voyager 1. The Voyager 1 spacecraft is the most distant human-made object from Earth. Voyager 1 is a space probe launched by NASA on September 5, 1977 to study the outer solar system. Having operated for 43 years, the spacecraft still communicates with the Deep Space Network and transmits data to Earth. It carries a gold-plated audio-visual disc. Should the spacecraft ever be found by intelligent life forms from other planetary systems, the disc carries photos of Earth and its life forms. On February 14, 1990, Voyager 1 took the first family portrait of the solar system, as seen from outside, which includes the image of planet Earth known as pale blue dot. These were some of the major interesting and mind-blowing facts, and I myself enjoyed making this video. Let me know guys, which one was your favorite among these. Comment down below what topics you wanna see next. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.